A lot of you have been messaging me to ask me about how to ace a presentation. My name is Sally Sampson and this is my channel, which is dedicated to making you a more impactful communicator. So the question today is, how do you give a presentation that is successful without putting people to sleep? And while I maintain that the best way to get good at giving presentations is to give some pretty awful ones yourself and perhaps sit through a couple of bad presentations, today I have a couple of the do's and don'ts of making presentations to help you and your audience out. Number 1, do your homework. Know your material inside out. There is nothing worse than sitting through a presentation with someone who has no idea what they're talking about. This requires a little bit of effort on your part beforehand. If you don't know what you're talking about, you will likely fumble in your speech and your nerves will take over. To be or not to be? It's a question. Someone asked it in a play a long time ago. Shakespeare, I think, was the guy. He was dramatic and he did a lot of stuff that we still remember him for, so hope you remember that. Number 2, don't read off a paper or slide. This is the worst. People do this when they haven't really prepared very well, but nothing is less engaging. Chances and produce characters that were breaking boundaries. You need to add to what's already on the slide if you are going to use slides, because for the most part, people can read and they need you to provide detail and context. Also, eye contact is very important. It communicates your confidence and shows your interest in the people in the room. Number 3, do remember to breathe. You'd be surprised the amount of people that get lightheaded when they get in front of a crowd to give a speech because, yep, you guessed it, they've forgotten to breathe, like they're trying to set some sort of record or something. The world used to come and see these plays at the Globe Theatre, including the monarchs and the kings and the queens, and you just So before you get up, check in with your breathing. Take deep, deliberate breaths because this will send signals to your parasympathetic nervous system to calm yourself down. Number 4, don't tell me, show me. This is a clever way of saying get creative. A little while ago, I did a video talking about the number 1 secret for impactful communicators being that they make the unrelatable relatable, and that's what you have to do. Think of how you can illustrate your point in a way that is informative, unique, and true to you. If you do that, you will have fun, and when you're having fun, your audience can't help but have fun with you. Thank you very, very much. So there it is. Those are a few of the do's and don'ts of how to ace a presentation. I hope you enjoyed the content on this video. Remember, as always, please subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and remember, you can also follow me on my social media on Twitter, Facebook, or on Instagram. And to take your education further, visit this link right here, and I would love to be of service to you and help you become a better communicator. And you know the drill. I'm rooting for you.